In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Choso in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing as Choso in Cursed Arena is extremely simple. All that you have to do is join the experience on any platform, so you can do it on PC or mobile, and you will be able to play as him. As you can see, I'm using some of the abilities just to show you what they look like, and for you to play as Choso, you just have to go over to the character window over here at the top, and if you scroll all the way down, you will be able to find Blood Manipulator. So this is going to be Choso in Quest Arena. And to my knowledge, he is going to be unlocked by default for free. So even though I am a newbie, I have never defeated a boss on this character, I haven't bought anything, I was able to access Choso. So all that you have to do is join the experience and choose Blood Manipulator from the list of characters. It seems like he is unlocked for everyone, so you just have to join the experience and you will be good to go. He has some very flashy abilities with a lot of blood effects that are cool to look at, and like I said, you will be able to play as him as soon as you join the experience and you choose Blood Manipulator. You will be able to ascend. When your Blood Fury bar is filled, you will see all of the upgraded attacks that he has, and there's no secret to play as him. For this video, I'm not going to showcase too much besides some basic attacks on these dummies. I'm not going to showcase any combo, but still, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. You can use this third attack to counter other people, so if you take a hit while you are on this stance, you will knock them back and do a lot of attacks. You can use the first move, Compressed Shot, to do this explosion that pushes people back. Clotted Fury will do a bunch of punches, punch someone up, and then explode them in the air. And finally, Pierce Overdrive is just another big hit. So a lot of area of attack damage, and you will be able to hit multiple people at once. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Choso in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.